Hi everyone, this is Jishan Ahmed. I am the founder of ArcadeOps community where I help individuals, where my community ArcadeOps helps individuals to get started with Google Cloud. Now, I welcome you all for this campaign, Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program 2025 Cohort 1. In this video, I'll be guiding you on how to successfully enroll into this campaign. So first things first, I'll be sharing this PDF with you guys. In this way, following all these steps, you'll be successfully enrolling for the campaign. Now, first thing is you need a new Google account. You cannot use your already created IDs. You need completely new IDs. So I believe everybody knows how to create a new Google account. So once you're done creating a new Google account, the step two is to come to this website. This is Cloud Skill Boost platform from Google. And what you need to do is I'll sign in for now. I was already signed in. So once you come to this website, you'll have something like this. This is the landing page of Google Cloud Skill Boost platform. Now, this platform trains individuals on Google Cloud aspects. You can check all these things out. Now, what you need to do is you need to sign in and sign in with the new Google account which you have created. In my case, it was already logged in, so I have logged in with my account. Now, you need to make the Cloud Skill Boost profile as public. This is a very important step. Now, how will you do that? You need to click over here, come into the settings, rename yourself properly. Don't change anything over here. Rename yourself properly over here as well. Now, you need to make sure that this box is left unchecked. Don't check this box. You need to ensure that these four checkboxes are properly marked. So you are consenting to credit for your certifications and badges, which you'll be earning throughout this campaign. Now, as I mentioned over here, you need to make your profile as public. So you'll be clicking it like this and copying this URL. You need to keep this URL handy. Just keep this handy. So as you can see, I've already kept these things over here. Similarly, you just copy this. This would be unique for everybody, and make sure that you are checking these two boxes as well. Now, update settings, and you can close this thing. Now, third and the most important step, this is the most important step of this entire campaign. You need to subscribe to the Arcade page. How will you do that? You'll just click over here. This is the official page of Google Cloud Arcade program, where you need to be updated with all the important emails, all the perks, all the program changes, updates, your milestones, your Arcade points, all the stuff over here. The thing you need to do is subscribe over here and put your newly created email. For me, this is my email as of now. So you need to put your email over here, which you have newly created, and then check these two boxes. Go through all these things. These are very important instructions, as well as there's a code of conduct over here. Go through that as well. I believe everything is pretty much clear. Now just click on submit and you're good to go. You have properly subscribed to the Arcade program. Now, the official registration form would be out at 1st April at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This is the homepage of the campaign, Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program, Cohort 1. As you can see over here, this campaign is running from April to June, and the official forms will be out at 5 p.m. strictly on 1st April itself. Now, I'll be showing a dummy form. This is not an official form. I'll just guide you how to fill this official form. You need to have these details over here, which I've mentioned handy. Your full name, your email, newly created email, your full name, then your WhatsApp contact number. I've put a dummy one over here, don't worry. Country is India for me. Your newly created email, the same which you have put over here, and the same which you have used to sign into the Google Cloud Skill Boost. These all emails should be the same. Now, your public profile URL, which we copied from this platform, and we have it over here. So the official mail from Google, when it will be out at April 1 and 5 p.m., will be similar to this. Your full name should be there, your contact number, your location, email ID, your Cloud Skill Boost public URL, which would be this. So copy the entire thing and make sure that you paste it over here. And these two things are the most important thing in the entire campaign, because this is going to be tracked by Google to check how many tasks you're completing, and based on that, you'll be getting some reward points, and you can use those reward points to claim certain swags. The higher amount of points you have, the better swags you get. Now, facilitator referral ID, which would be this thing for our ArcadeOps community. So make sure that you don't do any typos in this field and also in this field. So this is the facilitator referral ID, so that you get enrolled under ArcadeOps community properly. If you make any mistakes over here, you're out of the campaign. If you make any mistakes in this field, you're out of the campaign. We cannot help you out. And you'll be getting some consent form over here. You just need to click on yes and hit on submit. So this was a dummy form. So this is not the original form. This is something similar to this you'll get on April 1st, 5 p.m. And throughout the campaign, the group is open. All the chats are open. You can put any queries in the group. We are here to guide you. So thank you guys for being a part of ArcadeOps community. We welcome you all to this community, and we hope this campaign would certainly make you Google Cloud ready. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one.